Today we're gonna bring a dimmable LED light. It's a light fixture for a bathroom, indoor, outdoor. It's not outdoor graded, but it's perfect if you have a garage. If you guys can see, they only give you two cables, the neutral and the hot. That's pretty much what you do. But this is the important part right here. If you guys can see, you can actually turn it up from 3K, 4K, and 6K of lumens, all right? So that's pretty neat that you can control it from here. We're gonna put it to the brightest, all the way to the end, to the 6K. I like it bright. And this fixture is very simple. All you got to do is mount this in here, twist it up, and it locks in. They give you everything you need, screws, and of course, you know, the cables. And let's set it up. Let's see how it works. All right, today we're gonna replace that. We're gonna replace this one. It's not working, so we're gonna replace a brand new one. It's about the same size, but it has better features. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up. In there. There we go. All right, let's go see what 6500 lumens look like. And if you guys can see my old one with the new one, it's a far different, it's brighter too. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.